Hey everybody, I'm Stephanie Heyman, and today it's all about getting ready for Christmas. We've got lots of good dollar store finds to create a cute and festive wreath, so grab your supplies and get ready to craft. So what we've got here is just a ton of dollar store ornaments. These are all the plastic shatterproof ones, but have lots of glitter in different shapes and things. I've got my hot glue gun, and I'm just going to start adding them to the wreath base. Get our hot glue going there. And what I do is I tend to put the spot where you would put the hook down inside. So we're not going to show that part. That's going to be kind of hidden away. And I'm going to continue to add these on all the way around. So we'll put another one on here. The thing to watch for is all of the little hot glue threads that you can get, but I'll tell you a little trick about how to get rid of those once we get at the end of the project. So I'm going to just continue to go through here, and I'm just going to keep adding on all of my ornaments, and when I get that done, I will show you the finished project. Now that we have all of our ornaments glued on, if you have any of those stragglers of like the glue gun, what you can do is either grab a hairdryer or a heat gun and just kind of hit those spots, and what it'll do is it'll shrink the glue up and you'll lose some of those little lines that you sometimes get when you use hot glue in a project. Well, I hope that you had as much fun creating this cute little holiday wreath with our dollar store finds as I did. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks and happy holidays!